Hi everyone, and today we're going to look at this guy here, and the brand is Ulanzi, and the model is S like Susan and T like Thomas 01. You can see the box. It's small, but the good thing is it's built metal. So that's going to be the best thing to hold my cell phone, because you know, it's not because I don't like the one in plastic because it's wobbling, but in the metal, we're going to try it to see if this guy is going to do a better job. You know what I like? This is a small brand, but focusing on the quality of the video when it's time to use your cell phone. Let's open it and do the unbox. Going to see if it's not long. Sorry. Oh, wow. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. Probably you can see it. Everything is metal. It's finished black. Black, how to say that? Flat black. Oh, it's a black. And you can see the rubber. You have one on the top and one on the bottom. This, you can tighten it, the cell phone, so like that everything's going to be okay. To see if it's not moving, but it's moving a little bit, but not almost nothing. Okay, let's see if this guy's going to be okay on my cell phone. This is going to be good for all kind of cell phone, Android, Apple, and all the rest. They said this guy, the size we can open, it's going to be 2.6 to 3.7 inch all the way open. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Samsung. We're going to see how wide it is. So this guy is 2.9 inch. So now let's see if this is going to be okay. I'm going to unscrew it. Wow. Okay. Let's put it inside. Probably a little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah. Yeah, so this is good for 2.9 inch wide, and wow, I love it. I love the black, finished black, and you can see here when it's time to screw on the tripod like that. That's going to be, wow, you know something? I think that we need to try it. And now we're going to try it on the tripod to see if this is going to be good. Okay, so now, okay, I know my tripod is not the good quality, but at least I can do a review with it. So yeah, I love it. I love the finish, the way they built. You can see it's built really strong, because what I don't like about the other kind, it's here. I don't know if you can see it. This guy is always coming out after a while. So it's for that I buy a metal one. So I just want to be sure I can use it at least 1,000,000 times before this get out. This small part here get out. What I really like, it's each time I press on my cell phone, it's not moving a lot. I know it's my trépied, but you can see it's not wobbling. Sorry. What I really like about this part, this item, it's when it's time to do wobbling, it's not really moving. you can see the quality of the part, the way they built it. At least, yeah, 2 thumbs up for this guy. Okay, so they have 2 models. Me, I have the 01 and you have the 02. The 02, the difference, you're just going to have like a space here to install a microphone or a light. This is your choice. Me, I choose the 01 because I have something else to put my microphone on the side. What I found a website and a link. I'm going to put it inside the description. Better quality because everything is metal. The part here, the screw, everything is metal. I forgot to mention, you have 2 springs here on the top. So like that, he's going to come back when it's time you need it. Look, or if you need to adjust exactly where exactly you're going to put your cell phone. And voila, that's perfect. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And see you in the next one.